Hi, we're Clearflow Systems, the world's most advanced dishwasher. Behind every gleaming plate is a hidden problem. Dishwashing is one of the most wasteful processes in any kitchen. Industrial dishwashers blast thousands of plates with water and chemicals every day, often without direction. The average institutional kitchen uses over 360,000 gallons of water per year, enough to fill in half an Olympic pool. Across universities, hospitals, and restaurants, that waste compounds into millions of dollars and huge environmental footprint. Now imagine a dishwasher that thinks before it sprays, adapts to every load, and saves resources without sacrificing cleanliness. That's Clearflow Systems, the future of sustainable dishwashing. Now, here's the problem. Traditional dishwashers are inefficient. Every cycle is the same. Light loads get overwashed, wasting water and energy, while heavy loads are undercleaned, forcing costly reruns. Andrea Brendlinger, the food service manager at the Berkeley's Crossroads Dining Hall, told us, "Our old machine wastes water, breaks down often, and fills the dish room with heat and steam." She added, "When there isn't enough staff, we have to resort to paper plates, creating even more waste. The industry needs a smarter way forward." Hi, I'm Harish Balmerigan, CEO. I'm a senior at Mount House High School. I'm a DECA state champion and an international finalist, Conrad Innovator, and a BBA graduate, Berkeley Business Academy for Youth, where I met Krish.
Hi, I'm Krish Kadar, CEO and co-designer, a senior at the School of Science and Engineering in Dallas. I'm the UIL Texas State Accounting Champion, AIME qualified, and spent my summer doing econ research under Professor George Hall and Nobel laureate Thomas Sargent.
I'm Yash Kathrani, CTO and engineer. I'm a senior at Mountain House High School in California. I'm the team captain of a VEX Worlds qualifying team and an FTC States qualifying team. Our work with Clearflow Systems has already been recognized by DECA, Conrad, Blue Ocean, and the Diamond Challenge. We don't just have ideas, we deliver results. Our customers fall into three groups. First, large institutions like universities, hospitals, and corporate cafeterias, which are high-volume operations where efficiency is king. Second, medium-scale clients like hotels and company cafeterias. And third, independent restaurants where liability and cost savings keep the light on.
Now, why Clearflow Systems? What is our uniqueness? Clearflow uses machine learning and computer vision to power our water-saving method. High pressure, low volume. Strong jets target the stickiest plates, while cleaner ones use less water, making every cycle smarter and more sustainable. Clearflow isn't just an over-engineered dishwasher. Clearflow is a designer solution, where we partner with a customer. We scrap their old dishwasher system for free, recycle the materials, and redesign from our base model to fit their exact kitchen. It's a sustainable, efficient, and tailored every time. Clearflow is all about the return on investment. The savings in water, labor, and energy are not just helping them cut costs, they generate a measurable return for the customer. But we're going to talk more about this later.
When creating this product, we tested multiple different designs. Here you can see our initial sketches showing the plate stacking and overall cleaning process. On our second iteration, we moved on to a more industrial design, but we felt it was still inefficient. And our current design is fast, effective, and easy to use. Now, as you watch the animation, you can see how Clearflow Systems works from start to finish.
This prototype forms the foundation for all product lines. At the start, dishes enter the loading zone and first pass through the rinse and air stage, which removes loose debris. Next, they move on to the residue detection zone, where sensors scan for contamination and collect data to guide the wash. This is where water pressure, spray intensity, and volume are automatically adjusted in real time for maximum efficiency. After washing, dishes go through a precision rinse to remove detergent and remaining residue, followed by high-velocity drying, leaving plates, cups, and utensils clean, dry, and ready to use. Finally, dishes automatically cycle onto a return conveyor, creating an organized collection point. The overhead layout and conveyor loop minimize bottlenecks and allow for continuous circulation, enabling high throughput while maintaining cleaning standards.
Now, let's talk about the code. Clearflow starts by generating over 10,000 synthetic plates that simulate real kitchen conditions, with randomized residues, textures, and glare. Each plate is standardized, and then advanced filters are applied. For each plate, we extract a 34-dimensional feature vector capturing residue coverage, stain intensity, and texture, expanded with descriptions like Gabber filters and Harlick textures. XG boost regressors with monotone constraints are then applied with cross-validation techniques and ensembles measured by MAE, R-squared, and pressure time trade-off curves. A physics-based function then finds the Pareto frontier and knee point between cleaning time, water use, and pressure. displayed in an interactive interface for real-time optimization. In the future, we'll deploy dishwashers to build a proprietary dataset and apply CNNs for even higher predictive accuracy. On the following pages, you can see some of these few stages that a plate goes through. The original synthetic plate is resized and converted into a 34-dimensional feature vector. Local binary patterns capture fine textures, topographic contours show variance, 3D Laplacian highlights abrupt changes, and delta E heat maps measure staining intensity. Shot plots explain which features most influence predicted wash times.
Clearflow reaches customers through a combination of channels. We engage customers with a personalized outreach and on-site demos, while establishing distribution partners like Cisco, RMark, and Ecolab help us scale broader marketing efforts, including trade shows and targeted LinkedIn campaigns. Pilot programs such as free installations and discounts and machine recycling provide hands-on proof of savings and sustainability benefits, accelerating adoption and building trust.
Clearflow targets a US market focused on sustainable dishwashing solutions. The total addressable market is $4.5 billion, with a serviceable market of $80 million, and an initial obtainable market of $12 million. Early adopters include universities and corporate cafeterias, with expansion potential across hospitals, hotels, cruise ships, and large restaurants. Our model is simple and profitable. We offer 3 versions, each a one-time purchase tailored to customer size. Our first, Clearflow Essential, which is $15,000, it's built for small independent restaurants handling around 500 to 1,000 plates per day. Our second, Clearflow Prime, which is $32,000, it's designed for hotels and large restaurants managing 1,000 to 5,000 plates per day. And finally, we have Clearflow Enterprise, which is $58,000. It's created for universities, hospitals, and corporate cafeterias, processing more than 5,000 plates daily. And on top of that, we build recurring revenue from maintenance, insurance, and software updates, which is about 5% annually. So Clearflow doesn't just sell once, it sells for life.
Clearflow's income statement shows strong 5-year growth, with unit sales rising exponentially and revenue scaling from $293,000 to over $1.65 million. Costs increase with production, but efficiency gains and lower R&D drive profitability. Net profit turns positive in year 3 and reaches $328,000 by year 5, nearly a 20% margin, with a break-even projected in quarter 2 of year 5. Clearflow offers 3 tiers. Each includes AI software, sensors, cameras, and full integration. Gross margins scale from 32% to 45%, with higher value components and economies of scale driving stronger profitability at the top tier. Clearflow's financial model shows strong long-term value for customers, with a table demonstrating break-even on the enterprise model. Clients pay a one-time investment of $58,000 along with modest recurrent costs. This investment delivers major savings. Water and electricity use is cut by over 50%, saving 180,000 gallons of water and 120,000 kilowatt hours in 15 years. Labor savings equals 3% of the total dishwashing staff, or over $154,000 in 15 years. With these efficiencies result, institutions break even by year 5 and achieve a net savings of $146,000 and a total ROI of 250%. Clearflow stands out with a competitive suite of advanced features: machine learning, optimization, personalization, retrofit-ready hardware, recurring revenue, and high-pressure jets, as well as a transparent ROI. Hobart and Fagger, our competitors, only offer a fraction of these capabilities. Hobart uses AI, but it's a black box requiring massive labeled datasets and expensive new hardware. Clearflow combines physics with machine learning for our transparent, explainable predictions and adapts quickly using synthetic data. Our retrofit module allows us to break into any cuisine, balancing sustainability and speed.
Now on to our strategic outlet. Clearflow Systems is built for scalable adoption, from small cafes to large universities and hospitals using modular, retrofit-ready hardware and tiered models. Our machine learning optimized cycles reduce water, electricity, and labor costs, improving ROI. Every system includes insurance and receives regular software updates to mitigate hardware or software risks, and the platform continuously updates to real-world data. By lowering utility use and freeing staff for higher value tasks, Clearflow enhances kitchen efficiency, sustainability, and employee satisfaction, creating a more resilient food service model. Let's create a greener future one plate at a time. Thank you so much.